On just one model posting once a week on Reddit, I made $5,671. So last time I showed you how to make a very realistic model. Today I'm going to show you how to actually monetize her. I'm going to show you a way that doesn't require any investment on your part. And frankly, it's stupidly easy and almost nobody's doing it. It involves making a Reddit account, warming it up so you don't get banned, posting like a real girl and becoming an influencer on Reddit in niche communities, and also in major subreddits. Reddit has something like 50-60% American audience. It's very easy to monetize the people that are coming from Reddit. You are going to be using mostly text with just a few pictures in between. First thing that you have to do is create a backstory for your character. Make her seem real. You can use ChatGPT to write it for you, but what I recommend is actually try to think of something yourself. Maybe someone you know, maybe someone from your past. Give her some drama, give her some internal conflicts. That shit sells. When you create the Reddit account, just let it generate a random username, like this. Don't add anything to the profile, don't do anything, just read for a while, and after a few days you can start to comment. Just warm it up. Don't act like a bot, don't act like a seller. After like a week, make a viral post. Viral posts are really easy to make. For example, you can say that you stole your neighbor's cat. Was it right in stealing my neighbor's cat? You can post it on cats. You can easily get hundreds of thousands of views on a post like this, and it will finish warming up your Reddit account. This way you are seen by everyone at this point like a legit user. After you've warmed up your account, you can start to post bullshit like this. Sometimes I go to the nude beach to watch other guys, F19, ask me anything. They're gonna get involved, of course. Even simple stuff like 22F, just waking up, ask me anything. Anyone else struggle with very large breasts? I sent to a guy and I regret it. Or even better, I sent to a guy on Reddit and I regret it. Something that my boyfriend did to me and now I'm very upset and I'm emotionally available. I don't know, just make it seem real, make it seem like there's something going on there, give it a little bit of drama. And if you're believable enough, you only need text to get guys to click on your links. For this strategy, you don't need karma, you don't need account age, you don't need anything. You just need to be creative enough to get guys interested enough so they click on your links. You can link to Instagram and help your Instagram grow with outside traffic, which is very important. Instagram loves outside traffic. Or you can get them directly on your Telegram, but don't put a Telegram link. You can actually use something that's very, very new. Not many people know about it. It's called Lastify. With Lastify, you can talk to people and also ask them for money directly in the chat without any kind of stars or anything like that. They can pay through card and then you can get the money out in crypto. There's a platform fee, of course, just like OnlyFans is 20%. From their end, they don't know that they are talking to a seller. They don't know that they are talking to a professional. They think that they are talking directly with the girl because all they can see is a Telegram chat. This is very natural. Guys in DMs on Reddit will ask you for Telegram. On just one model posting once a week on Reddit, I made $5,671. And it wasn't that much work either. I got only like 50 guys here. 50 guys that I talked to that I took money from. They are in love with the model, they like to see her naked. They are good spenders. That's all I need to round up my income. As you can see, a guy writing on Reddit saying that he wants to talk on Telegram gets absolutely no engagement. But a girl writing on Reddit gets all the engagement in the world. Men are just hungry for female attention and they're willing to pay for it. So don't get stuck in the mindset that only Instagram or visual platforms like, I don't know, Facebook or something like that can get you success in AI or FM. Even text-based platforms can get you a lot of money. And Reddit, in my opinion, after Instagram, is the second best way to make money in this business right now. Because almost all the traffic there is American. If you're creative, you can really make a nice backstory for your character and you can make her seem interesting. And the realistic images that you made are just in support of that. They're not the main selling point. Don't fall into the trap of posting first traps on Reddit. It doesn't work. Reddit guys know what is AI and what is real. You have to post a very realistic photo in order to get away with it. Something like this. Also, you're gonna have to learn how to do verifications when they ask. But in order to avoid the bad kind of attention and getting banned, I would recommend either a very realistic picture posted on your own profile or pictures like this. Hair advice, does my hair look nice with her looking down? This way nobody will even check it for AI, because AI girls don't usually ask for hair advice. But guys can see that she is a girl and she is kind of good looking, so when she posts something interesting about her story, about her life story maybe, or about asking for some advice, then this will be in support of that. She will get interest through words, and when they come onto the profile, they will see that she is a legit girl. Now, there is a way to master Reddit and make consistent money with it. You just need to figure out a flow that you can keep up. For example, after the warm-up, read and comment for 3 days, then make a post in a certain niche, then read and comment for 3 more days, then make a post asking for hair advice, then again read and comment, ask for help, read and comment, do a rant post, do a face post, read and comment again, do a meme post. There are certain ways of looking like you are a very legit person on Reddit, and if you can be both interesting and convincing, then guys will desperately ask for your contact. And then just give them Telegram and go to Lastify and chat with them until the point that they ask you for nudes, then sell them nudes. It's that simple. Realistically, without scaling, as in do it yourself, this will net you from anywhere from 2,000 to 5,000 a month. Yeah. In order to get more money out of it, you need to teach other people how to do it, to scale it. Then you can go to infinity. Reddit is big. There are people that are doing this right now on Reddit. If you haven't seen them, it's because they're doing it well. If you figured it out, then maybe it was their first post, otherwise they're gonna get banned. You have to be really sneaky, you have to be very smart on Reddit. But with experience, with some knowledge, anyone can do it. For example, in my most successful post, I said that my model has been banned from OnlyFans because she met up with a customer. You can imagine the kind of interest that generates. They're gonna want to know where she ended up, if not on OnlyFans, then where. And they're gonna want to get noticed by her. So maybe they have a chance to meet up with her. Because what Gunnar doesn't imagine himself meeting up with an OnlyFans model, right? But you don't need to copy paste what other people did. You can figure out ways of doing it yourself. You just need to attune yourself to Reddit. Just become a user, read a lot, and then like in a week or so, you're gonna have the knowledge to try it yourself.